with that. On our way to Blizzard Beach.
Let's go. There's our bus right there. Okay, we made it. We are here at Blizzard Beach. Zach's first time.
I've never been. No.
Charlie's first time, my second time, but it has been well over probably 15 years since I've been here. So let's go explore.
The day calls for it, for sure.
Yes, it is nice and toasty. We got a little bit of overcast clouds, which is nice. It says they are open from 10 to 6. So let's go explore Blizzard Beach. Okay, first impression, this is so cute.
So
It looks like Arendelle. Wait, let's turn this around. Look how cute. It's so fun. With all the little snow, you would never guess that it's 80, almost 90 degrees.
I mean, I did forget to bring sandals, so I'm in shoes, and it just feels really odd.
This is our favorite thing that she does now. She reaches up for our hands, and it's just the sweetest, huh, Zach?
It really is the best.
All right, we can see off in the distance, people going down slides over there. Some cute snowmen.
Do you remember where anything is?
Not really.
You're taking the lead on this one. Oh, there she goes.
There she goes. Let's go. We gotta go find Olaf. All right, here's the map of Blizzard Beach. Pause if you'd like. We are going over to the little kiddie area, which is over here. I believe that is called Tykes Peak. We're gonna go find it. All right, Tykes Peak. For the enjoyment of children 48 inches and under, AKA our little Charlie girl. Let's go find Olaf. Hi, Button.
So they're supposed to be melting because they're snowmen and they're just dripping in the sun.
In the Florida heat.
How creative is that? Touch Button's nose. There you
They're still
go.
having a good time. Look, Mom and Dad are smiling.
Do you think they're Olaf's cousins? All right, you ready for some lunch?
We are going to check out the Lotta Lodge. Don't know if I'm saying it wrong.
Lotta Lodge.
Saying it
You
right.
need to say that 13 times fast.
Lotta Lodge. Because it said that they had entrees, so we'll see, you know, some good chicken tendies and fries.
That'll do. All right.
And then I'd like to check out and see if they have like a Dole Whip or something.
Oh, yes.
Because you can't beat that.
All right, so it actually looks like a ski lodge. Look at, there's icicles. We got some skis. We got a snowboard. On this side we have snowshoes. Theming of this place is awesome.
All right, so we started small. We're all splitting the kids' chicken tendies. And what was this? This was like a blue raspberry something?
Blue raspberry lemonade, yeah.
You want first sip?
You can have the first sip.
Holy moly, that's good.
Is it sour?
Go ahead, try it. It is sour, huh?
It's really good. It's zingy. Want to try it? Oh, that's a big dip, Curly. No, it's for you. Here you go.
No. At least you tried it.
You did.
So the kids' meal comes with A couple different sides you can choose from. We picked cutie and French fries. It's yummy, huh?
Ready?
Who opens a cutie like that?
I do. Otherwise it gets all up in your fingernails and it's not good. I've done it for years.
Uh-huh. She likes her French fries.
And her cuties. Because
French
she's
fries.
a cutie.
French fries.
Given that I've never been here, and it's been years since you've been here, we're trying to find the entrance to the lazy river.
You'd think it'd be easier to just follow the river, but we can't find an entrance. What are we doing wrong?
Still searching. Okay, I think we found it. This is all wet right here.
Let's go.
We did it. So we found our vehicle of choice.
Here.
We're just waiting for a gap in the lazy river to make our move.
Yes.
Let's go.
So Zach is trying to decide if he wants to go down the summit plummet.
I mean, just to experience it, because we never come here.
I don't know.
I feel like one of us has to do it. It might as well be me.
I mean, I can't because I'm pregnant, so sorry about that.
Okay. Well, I guess I'm gonna be the one to do it.
What's Daddy doing?
Which way are we going?
Oh, someone's sneezing. That's what that is. All right, go. We survived.
We made it. Oh! Hold on, Charlie girl. That little smile. Immediately just started grabbing for the handles. It's like she knew.
And she's got really good balance.
Look at that core strength.
It's not a lazy river anymore.
Look at you.
Hold on. It's getting rocky in here.
Whoa!
Step
Nice.
in. Go.
Are you having fun, Charlie?
Yeah. Mama keeps getting me ready.
Charlie, give Mama a high five.
Charlie, high five.
Yeah.
Going back to holding on.
Yeah. Because Mama's a crazy driver.
It's like, I know who's driving.
Oh, we're going under a bridge.
Wow.
Wow.
I'm actually
All right, we're gonna do a family slide set. She's ready.
And then Zach's gonna do summit plummet.
I am.
Not I. Ready, set, go! Is it fun?
All right, you're gonna take. Whoa, that's really. Whoa. You're gonna take her down the slide.
Yes.
All right, there they go. Here they go. Yeah. Okay, so the only thing I'm undecided on is how to get to the top. There's the ski lift. I don't know if that's what it's called.
Yeah, there's not much of a wait right now though, so I feel like you should because
Right.
you take in all the sights.
Or I take the stairs. So that's what we're working with in terms of the ski lift. But
We're gonna go down that.
look at it. I'm gonna be zoom. That's gonna be me, way up there. Way up there.
Look at me, you're gonna fly off the edge.
Hopefully not. Thank you for that.
Oh my god.
All right, decide I'm doing the single rider,
Sure.
single
It's
rider
Disney.
for the ski lift.
All right.
I'll see you. I'll wave at you at the top. I'm not gonna see you. I'm gonna try to look for you, but
All right.
hopefully
Please
I see you.
Be safe.
Okay.
Mwah. Love you. Okay, we're waiting for Daddy to go up the ski lift. I'm so nervous for him. The summit plummet is incredibly steep and I couldn't do it. Nope. All right, he should be coming up here any minute. There he is. Do you see Daddy? Say hi, Daddy. There he goes. Love you guys. Love you. Oh no, he stopped. You're stopped.
Please remain seated. The chairman will resume moving momentarily.
Oh my gosh, he's next. You got this, Zach. You got this. Here he comes. Whoa. Oh my gosh, you did it. Say good job, Daddy.
Yeah.
Okay, how was it? Thoughts?
It's fun.
Yeah?
Yeah. There's no time to be afraid. It's over so fast.
How was it at the top? I mean, that's nerve-wracking. Just it's straight down practically.
Yeah. I was like scooting. I don't want to bump too far. You know?
I was wondering what took you so long to get over the edge.
I know. I was being a little apprehensive with my scoot. You know, I don't want to flop over the edge. But the view up there is pretty cool. You
Is
can
it?
see Magic Kingdom, Animal Kingdom. I could not find Spaceship Earth. I was looking everywhere.
Oh. Daddy's putting her shoes on.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
Oh my.
Say, all right, let's go back to our hotel and maybe go watch the fireworks tonight.
Wow.
Do you see the airplane? Do you see the airplane? I hear it.
I was gonna say I'm glad I did the summit plummet.
I'm proud of you. I couldn't have done it.
I survived.
Survive! You need to get, isn't there like a shirt that says, I survived the summit plummet?
Probably.
Let's go find one. First of all, adorable name. So cute. But they have a lot of great like brand name swimsuits. If you forgot a swimsuit, sandals, hats, and then of course all the Blizzard Beach merch.
And Tommy Bahama button-ups.
Yes, and Tommy
For the
Bahama.
dudes.
You know, if you're getting dressed up all fancy for dinner after Blizzard Beach, you're ready. You're ready to go.
Yeah.
So lots of good stuff in the beach house. Beach house.
Yeah, that's fine. I mean, look at the icicles. Come on. Pins.
That's cute. Oh, but then there's an all one.
What is this? Oh, that's another one. The Plummet Summit.
Summit.
What did I say?
Plummet Summit. Okay, so we decided because Charlie had her little water shoes on and they were all wet, we wanted to get her some little Stitch sandals.
She needed new sandals anyway.
Yeah, and look at they
So-
match her outfit.
Look at that.
And she could wear them to the Polynesian tonight.
You ready?
And she loves Stitch
Okay,
too.
let's put them on.
We are walking over to the Polynesian. We haven't decided exactly what restaurant we're gonna grab dinner. That is TBD, but we are starving. So stay tuned for where dinner's gonna be because you know if it's at the Polynesian, it's gonna be good.
All right, well, first time seeing the Island Tower. This is beautiful.
It smells so good.
We just put our name down for the Wailulu Bar and Grill.
We need to stay.
Definitely getting Alani vibes for sure. This is so nice.
Play over here.
Look at all the seating.
All right, here's what we got for the menu. Lots of great options. I am looking at these teriyaki chicken sliders. Zach said he's looking at the Wayfinder burger. I mean, and I'm also eyeballing this Dole Whip sundae. I mean, All right, Zach is entertaining little one. While we wait, we've got 2 minutes until the fireworks will appear over yonder.
T-minus 2 minutes. Oh, do you hear it? No.
What?
You were right, they were gonna turn the lights off. Wow.
Okay, our food just arrived. We got fireworks going on in the back.
This is so cool.
She likes it.
Does it get better than this? Eating food with that here. Look at like mommy, like daughter, eating French fries. That was so cool.
I don't know if I'll ever get a table this big again.
That table? Reserve, or not reserve, I was on a wait list for 2 hours for that table. Worth it.
And we waited 10 minutes?
Yeah, we were told 30. We got our table in about 10. So, just, that was the highest value. Oh, is that a piece of mac and cheese?
What'd you do?
What happened? I don't know.
Where did the fireworks go? What did you just say?
It's Moana, Motunui.
And you will board my boat.
And you will board my boat. Well, that's going to be it for the video today, guys. Thank you very much for watching, as always. It truly was an awesome day. Starting out at Blizzard Beach, very spontaneous, but lots of fun. And then ending the night with some fireworks while eating dinner at Wailulu Bar and Grill. Can't get much better than that. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.